Hi, let's build our very own foliage brush for free. This brush is great for landscape paintings and it'll raise you from Procreate noob to expert. If you're down for that, watch along, and I hope you have fun. Create an awesome canvas. Let's face it, you're awesome too. 3000 pixels by 3000 pixels. Fill the first layer with white, then select black. Let's create your brush shape. Use the default brush, inking/studio pen. Now we're going to paint our brush shape. Most brush shapes are real simple. It's really just the brush setting that allow the brush to come to life. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how. All I ask you is to move your pretty little hand onto that mouse right there and shoot me a like. Okay, that's cool. You can see here how basic these shapes are. Don't concern yourself with perfection in this step. Duplicate your shape layer a number of times. We're going to modify each copy by rotating and scaling, really giving our brush a sense of variation. I'm using the uniform scaling feature and using the green radial to rotate. Repeat this for each layer until you finish with something like this. Select the bottom white layer and then pinch all your layers together. This combines all your layers into one. Open layer and copy. Select a folder for your new brush and select plus. Open shape. Select edit/import, then paste. Touch two fingers on screen to invert the colors. Shape, scatter 100%, rotation follow stroke, count 1, randomized on. Stroke path, spacing 35%, jitter none, fall off none. Stabilization, amount 30%. Pressure taper, taper both ends, size none, opacity 25%, pressure none. Touch taper, taper both ends, size none, opacity max, classic taper on. Edit grain source. Import. Use source library and scroll down until you find tire. Grain, moving, scale 30%, zoom 0%, rotation, follow stroke. Rendering, light glaze. Wet mix, charge, disabled, pull 50%. Dynamics, size 10%, opacity 99%. Apple Pencil, size 10%, opacity none, flow max, tilt, size 10% cursor outline contrast. Properties, orient to screen on, max size, 400% min size 5%, min opacity 20%. Your brush is ready to use. Go forth, my friends, and be awesome.